I finally picked the skill. I was so clear and super motivated. But yet, nothing happened. No extra income, no progress. And I was wondering, what else is there to do? And if that's where you are right now, today's video is for you. Picking a skill and nothing happening afterwards is usually where many working professionals get stuck. Now, the reality is you don't find so many people talking about it. And that's why I'm making this video, because I wish that I had someone who walk me through and talk me through these feelings and these steps that I will go through as I monetize my skill. And that's why I know that today's video is going to change something in you, because you're going to know exactly what you need to do to move you in the direction of your dream. When I first decided to monetize my skill set, I thought clarity was the breakthrough. I finally realized what I wanted. I knew exactly who my audience was. I knew the offer that I was going to give to them. I knew that solution. But then after that, nothing happened. I wasn't making money. There was no progress. And I was wondering, okay, what else am I supposed to do? I needed to gain clarity in terms of what I wanted to do. And I already did that. I kind of prioritized all my skill set. I knew, the exact one that had a demand. But after that, there was still no income. Nothing was happening for me. And this was the stage that I realized something very important that I want to share with you today. Simply picking the right skill set, even though it feels like progress, it's still not the progress that will get you the income that you need, because that is actually the foundation that propels you to your next level. So don't feel overwhelmed if you're in this stage and it feels like, oh, that income should naturally come because I've nailed all the things down. I've dotted all my I's and crossed all my T's. No, you're still at the starting stage, and knowing what skill to monetize is only the first stage in the roadmap. Your income is not going to come from you just knowing what skill you want to monetize. Your income is going to come from execution, doing something about it, serving your customers, finding your clients and your audience and serving them. That's where your income is going to come from. And it's important that you wear this mindset so that once you realize the skill you want to monetize, you don't stop there, or you don't think that's the hardest work to do. You are then fueled to keep pushing even further, because you know that now that you know what to do, you need to go find out who to sell it to and who to serve. And you don't need all the time in the world. So I don't want you to start thinking that I don't have all the time, I still have a job. No, 1 hour every day, 30 minutes every day is enough. Remember, in our last video, we spoke about time boxing. So if you have not watched that video, make sure you go back so you learn the concept of time boxing, because this is the perfect time for you to apply that. We've got to do something about our goals on a daily basis. Now, one thing I don't want you to do is this. After picking the skill sets, and you've finalized that this is where you want to go, you've done your initial research, you know that there's a market for it, you've understood who your target audience is, and you know what your offer is. I want you to stop researching, because this is one mistake I see a lot of people make. After when they finalize the skill set they want to monetize, they still spend more time trying to research and uncover more things. All of that is going to delay you from execution. And like you've probably heard me say in a couple of videos, speed is everything. We need to quickly test out what we think we know in the market, because it's the actual market that will tell us whether this is what they want from us. So don't take forever researching. You've done that initial research. You know this is where you need to go. Please go ahead and start. Start making real progress and real movement. Researching, even though it feels like progress, is not real progress, because there's no tangible results that you're going to pick up from it. So you need to make sure that you're doing something that is moving you forward. You are executing, you're talking to your audience, you're creating content, you are learning more about that audience by actually talking to them, not you being on a computer and researching and trying to assume that you know them. You're not going to know them until you have conversations with them. And one thing we're not going to do is wait to feel more confident. I feel like I've created enough content about that. You're never going to feel confident about something that you've never done. You're going to feel more confident as you do things, right? So as you work on your goal, as you begin to talk to customers, as you create that content, as you publish that content, as you see that feedback, that's how you're going to build your confidence. So don't stay at the back of a computer waiting for confidence to automatically show up. It's not going to happen. So in order for you to get that income that you're looking for, you're going to need to do three things. You're going to need to get clarity in terms of what you want to do. And at this point, you probably have that clarity. Now you're going to do something about it, right? You're going to talk to your customers, like I said. That part is important. Now, you don't have to go all grand. You can apply in a very small, controlled way, whether it's through social media or through friends that you have or family or wherever you can get that audience from. But you've got to apply it. You've got to do something about it. And third, you've got to take actions before you feel ready. And that's why your excuses of feeling confident or not having time is not going to work here. This is where execution takes forefront. We've been talking the talking. We've got to walk the walk. So if you're here sitting down thinking, I figured out the skill set I want to monetize, but I've not been able to do anything about it. I've not moved forward and I've not made extra income from it. You're not alone. Many people go through that phase. I've gone through that phase, and that's why I know that you're probably going through that phase. And that's why I've come up with this video to help you move past that phase. All you need at this point is know exactly what you want to monetize, and you already know that. So your next step is to then start doing something about it. So what I want you to do after this video is for you to map out your roadmap. What is the next thing for me to do now that I know the skill set I want to monetize? What are the steps I need to take? How do I eventually launch and start letting the world know that I exist and I can offer this to them? Now, if you don't know the exact roadmap that you need to take, then you need to sign up to my Clarity to Cash Blueprint, because that's where you're going to get that exact formula, that strategy, where you have a mentor and a coach like me who has walked the walk, talked the talk, done it over and over again, and I can show you how to make it work for you. So don't feel paralyzed, because there's always a way out. And that way out starts with you signing up to this community and this program so that you can make progress. And it's not a program that's going to take your time at all, because I know that you're a busy working professional. It's 7 days. It's online. It's not even going to take an hour of your day on a daily basis. And at the end of 7 days, you would have made fantastic progress, and you would have launched where you're actually executing and interacting with your customers. And that's the real progress that you need to be making. So if you're ready to make real progress and you're tired of researching, you're tired of staying and hiding behind the cameras, you're tired of waiting for confidence to come your way, then sign up to the Clarity to Cash Blueprint to get you started. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Make sure you're signed up. Make sure you like, drop a comment, give me feedback. Let me know what you feel about these videos, or if you want a particular topic that you want me to spend more time explaining to you. Do me that favor, drop it in the comments, and I promise you that I will make that my next video. Okay, so get on board with this, because we are ready to make our dreams come through, and financial freedom is happening to us. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I remain Yinka Okulade, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.